everyone, I'm Tianyan. Today I'm going to make a cold shredded chicken salad. I'm using 2 medium-sized chicken thighs, though I actually recommend using 1 large chicken breast instead. Start by boiling a pot of water, just enough to cover the chicken, no need for too much. Once the water is boiling, add the chicken thighs. When the water returns to a boil, reduce the heat to the lowest setting, cover the pot, and let it simmer gently for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, turn off the heat and let it sit with the lid on for another 10 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a bamboo skewer into the thickest part of the chicken. If no blood or pink juices come out, it's fully cooked. If you still see blood, let it sit longer or heat it a bit more until fully done. Once the chicken is fully cooked, you can either chill it completely in the fridge and freeze it, or place the thighs in a bowl of ice water to cool them down quickly. Do not use the ice water method for chicken breast, just let it cool naturally. After the thighs have cooled completely, place them in a bowl and shred them into thin strips. Make sure not to leave any large chunks. Each piece should be finely shredded so it can fully absorb the dressing later. Prepare the white parts of some green onions and a piece of ginger. Organic ginger is best for its fragrant aroma. Finely mince both. To make the chili oil, heat some oil in a pan to about 100 degrees Celsius, 212 Fahrenheit. Don't let the temperature get too high. If you don't have the thermometer, you can watch the bottom of the pan. When the oil starts to show slight movement, it's roughly at the right temperature. Turn off the heat. Then add chili flakes and Korean chili powder, both coarse and fine if available. If you only have one type, that's fine too. Just be sure to add enough. Give the mixture a quick stir and let it cool slightly. Then transfer it into a jar. I usually make a larger batch so I can store some in the fridge for later use. The longer it sits, the more fragrant the oil becomes. Now, don't wash the pan you used to make the chili oil. Instead, add the minced ginger and green onion directly into it. Then add 2 to 3 spoonfuls of the chili oil. Place the pan back on the stove and heat it up. As soon as you hear a sizzling sound, turn off the heat. You'll notice an incredibly fragrant aroma. Add some of the broth from boiling the chicken thighs, along with the seasonings shown on screen. The Sichuan peppercorn oil is very important in this dish. You can find it at Asian grocery stores. It's usually available at Chinese supermarkets. Stir well to combine. This will be your dressing. Soak the dried black fungus, wood ear mushrooms, until fully rehydrated. Once the water comes to a boil, add them to the pot and cook for 5 minutes. Take them out, slice into thin strips, and place them over the shredded chicken. Thinly slice some onion into very fine pieces. Just a small handful will do. Add the onion slices on top of the chicken as well. Prepare a generous amount of cilantro. Adjust according to your taste, but don't add it just yet. The cilantro will go in at the very end. Pour the prepared dressing over the chicken and other ingredients. Mix everything thoroughly. At this point, you can taste it. If it's not salty enough, feel free to add a bit more salt. Cold shredded chicken needs to be well seasoned, so don't be shy with the salt. Refrigerate the salad for at least 1 hour to let the flavors develop. When you're ready to serve, mix in the cilantro. Don't add it earlier, as it's best not to let the cilantro soak in the dressing for too long. I'll add a few carrot shreds as garnish. If you prefer a spicier kick, you can add chili sauce when serving. I recommend doing this at the table rather than adding it too early. This is what I made a few days ago using chicken breast. It looks even more appealing, tastes delicious, and isn't greasy at all. And that's it. This dish is ready to enjoy. I hope you give it a try. This is a personal recipe I created by blending two different dressing styles into one unique mix. See you next time.